Okay, welcome everyone. As I finished up the big wheels, well, most 2/3 of the big wheels the other day. Looks like there's going to be enough going on where I'm not going to try and squeeze 2 steps into this one. That's sort of, I got greedy last time, I admit it. I thought it would work out better than, I mean, it didn't work out bad, but I thought it would be faster than that on that second step. 8 of these, it says. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Karma, meant to be. And then 2, the 75 mil. Those are, yep, all right, 2 of those. All right. Over there out of the way. Now, start back with our depth gauge. And that one was very snug and hard to press down. And then W2. That one didn't line up very good. Okay. Well, it is though. And then this one back on the other side. My dog just came in to visit for me for a second, so he. Now back to. Oh. Nope. I'm on the wrong step. I'm sure we'll do that later, but I was looking at the top of the page instead of the bottom. Let's try that again. Get another one of these out. All right. Do it properly this time. It is this and that. Then we take these. And the skinny part goes to the outside. Now we put this back on. And I'm going to mush you down. Get everything nice and flush-ish. Get that, actually get that off the. Make sure that. All right. Now everything's nice and flush-ish. And repeat that one. You on there. Save my fingertip there. Use that. You again. And oh yeah. Okay. Right. Then these guys. No surprise here. What's going to happen? Here. Come on. All my goodies off of there, and actually, I think get it to come back up just a smidge without poking a hole in my finger. All right, I've got a plan, I think. should work. This one on here, and just enough poking out to where I can see it, and then flush it down. Yeah, that makes both sides focus. On the inside there, they're both flush against the wheels. So, I thought it'd make them spin all the better, but oh well. Oh yeah, still got another one to do. So, in through there, onto our little block. Oh, I used up these on the wrong step. More of them out. Okay, so this time I'm just going to mush this on a little way, let it find its own depth. And I just went too far with it. Okay, try that again. Just get enough poking out there where I can mount the, and then push into place. Yeah. See, that's what I thought I'd get with this one. Where these are sort of free spinning. It doesn't really matter, but I just sort of like the way it feels. Got pretty good rolling frame going. And whoops. Okay. I just peeked ahead and I am going to have to take this apart. So, let's see. That's all one. Okay, not too bad. Okay, there. Okay. Everything back to where as it should be. But that's where that step finishes up step 13. Really starting to see the form now. I think in my head I didn't realize how big this one was going to be as far as the size of the model, and I think that's going to really help with the build, because it don't have to get in those tiny little crevices like it did with the smaller train. So I'm looking forward to this, how this moves along. I'm very pleased so far. I think it's gonna look really good when it's all said and done. But with that being said, thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.